चिकन टिक्का बहुत टेस्टी है। आजा आजा आ जाओ। ये हर कोई मुझे देख के डरता क्यों है?
अब मान लो मेरी बात, जो मैं तुमसे हर वक्त कहती हूँ कि तुम डरावने दिखते हो।
कोई नहीं, अब तो मान ही लिया। ठीक है, विलन का रोल करेंगे मूवी में अगर मिला इंशाल्लाह ऊपर की दुआ से। अच्छा, आप क्या क्या और करें यार, इतना सब कुछ। खाना भी मैंने खा लिया हल्का सा, पेट भर गया। द साउंड्स के अभी मेरे को नीचे जाना चाहिए और थोड़ा सा हजम करना चाहिए खाना।
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली।
आप चलेंगे हमारे साथ?
नहीं, आप जाइए।
हाँ, लड़कों का ही काम है नीचे जाना। जाएंगे हम ही। This front looks very nice, huh? Very nice. Clapping for me. Clapping for me. Now the person is not saying anything. The drinks are happening. Drinks are happening. What's your name, sir?
Matsura.
Okay. What's your name, ma'am?
Yumi Matsura.
Okay. I would like to call you guys on the stage. Yo, look the hooting! Come. You have to convince the lady to come on the stage. Come. Come on, people, thoda sa noise in logo ke liye, yaar. Yeah. Here you go. That's the stage. Go. I should come along with that. I'm looking for one more couple. कोई मतलब, yeah, come. Very good, nice. I got one more couple. Please. First you go. What's your name, lady? What's your name?
Mako Shimada.
Okay, I didn't get it, but then still, I want you to be on the stage right now. Go ahead. Do the pleasure. Please. Come. I have one more couple standing here. What's your name, lady?
Yamamoto.
Can you speak English?
A little bit, yeah.
So I want you to be on the stage right now.
But I don't.
Who wants to come along? Come. Chali. Hear it. Slowly. Yeah. No, for the guy also. You want to go? Yeah? No, decide who's going. Who's the guy? Very good, very nice.
So, what's your name?
Toshi.
Toshi, you've been here before. Yes. On the stage, yes. Ma'am, what's your name?
Kay.
Kay. Oh, that's a nice name. And what's your name, ma'am?
Yumi.
Okay, and what's yours?
Masa.
Okay. And what about you?
Mako.
Masa. I'm trying to pick up nice names. Okay, what's your name?
Osam.
You came before? Oh, okay, great. Lots of prizes is gonna get, huh?
I know there are beautiful ladies on the stage and I'm off the stage. That doesn't look nice. I think I should sit outside, like the venue.
Yeah, now I don't know what Akash has planned for you all right now, but whatever it is, I must tell you that it is going to be very difficult.
I know, it's not difficult at all. It's very simple thing. Is there only one thing that I'm going to tell these guys to do? You know what? You guys are married, you're a couple or what? I'm just asking. No. I'm just asking.
Is he so bad that you are going on saying, no, not my husband.
No,
That
tell
bad?
me. Which relationship do you share? I'm just asking you. Your friends?
Friend.
Okay, I was just asking that. Yeah. You guys?
My wife.
Why are you so shy to say that? Your wife.
My wife.
Yo! Now comes your chance. Who's she?
My wife.
Not that way. My wife. Yes. Okay. You people have been in India. You've been listening to Bollywood music. Do you like Bollywood music? I can't hear you.
I like it.
Do you like Indian Bollywood actresses?
Oh, actress? Miss Katrina Kaif.
Why Miss before that?
Miss before, not married.
Okay. What you guys need to do is, रोमिल बहुत आसान सी चीज़ है यार. देखो हिंदुस्तानी गाना, हिंदुस्तानी पिक्चरों में प्यार ना दिखे तो कहाँ से मतलब समझ आएगा ना? So you guys have to show a little love for your friend, your partner. You need to dance on a lovely romantic song, that too a Hindi song. Yeah. Now like, you're gonna stand there, you're gonna stand here, and you're gonna stand here, right, Roman?
Absolutely. I think we should do that.
Ladies
Yeah,
को
yeah.
convince आप कर दो. Come on, come on, come on. I'm
And
gonna
the
start the
twist
music.
is that
Come
it,
here.
it is a Bollywood number.
You need to keep your back
so
there.
a little Bollywood dance you want.
Yeah, back there.
Yeah, romantic, but little more Bollywood. Okay?
Like all those moves Indian actresses have.
Have you guys seen Indian movies?
Kind of slow. Is it kind of slow dancing?
Yeah, yeah.
It is slow dancing, but have you seen Bollywood films?
Yeah.
So I'm sure you'll be able to dance nicely in a nice romantic number, in a nice romantic way.
Are we ready for the music?
The friend is very scared.
It's alright. Are we ready for the music? Okay, I think we are ready. I can't see you guys. Look, this couple will get a chance. First, this couple has to get the chance. You don't have to say anything. You have to come here. We'll give the stage to you. I think we'll stand here and watch you guys dancing and getting... Okay. Music starts. You guys need to be closer. Come on. Little bit closer. Come on, people, make a huge noise for all these couples.
किसी का अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का आँखों में है ख्वाब सा किसी का अब रास्ता
More of Bollywood music. Come here.
खुशी का रिश्ता